Hello viewers. So today we are going to see how we can do a problem of computer vision using the orange data mining. So let us begin. So as you can see here, this is the AI facilitator handbook of CBSE, which is actually defining the problem. The problem here we are taking that the coral reef, which is affected with the pollution and it results in a lot of bleaching. So we are going to classify the images, the different images according to the corrosion or the bleaching that is happening on the ocean coral reefs. So here the problem scoping first we have to do. So the coral bleaching happens when coral lose their vibrant colors and turn white, but there is a lot more to do it. This leads to cause of coral bleaching is climate change, and coral bleaching matters because one of these coral dies and reef rarely comes back. So there is a discussion point and coral preaching. It also falls under the SDG. So you have to acquire a data set. Okay. So all the bag of features has to be there. So the experimental purpose for deep learning framework. So you have to gather the data. Now, if you see the data over here, we have kept it in a two folders, test data and train data. Now, under the train data, there are again two folders, which is bleached and unbleached. So we will be keeping nearly the images. If you can see, this is nearly 200 or oh yeah, 145 images are there here in the bleached data, as well as in the unbleached data. It is also 142. So it is more or less same. So actually, the more the data is, the more the training data is, the better the model is going to be trained and perform the best. Under the test data, you will see we are here keeping the combination of all the kinds, bleached and clean, unbleached and all. So we have kept nearly 55 files under that. So let us now begin. As you can see already the model I have done. So we are going to follow the same thing. So what we are going to do is first we will be taking the new file, and there first we have to be having a add-on, that is image analytics add-on. So how you will get that? That you will get from the options add-on, and under this it takes little time to display the options of the add-on. So here it is. You can see the image analytics is already being installed. So you'll click on this and you will do OK. It will take some time for installation. So you can see this is installing with pip as we do it in Anaconda, Jupyter, pip install and all that. So here with the orange data mining, since it is a no code thing, so it is automatically going to install. You don't have to go to the prompt. Now, after that, what you will do is that you have to import the file. As you know, the file, bringing the file is the first step. So you have to import the file. Then what we will be doing is here we will be getting the image embedder and image viewer. So we'll get the image viewer and image embedder in our thing. So image viewer and connect it like this, and image embedder. So while you get the image embedder, so yeah, so before that I have to connect the correct folder here. So this is my train data. I have to get the train data connected here, and then when I connect it to this place, you will see it will take some time for embedding. Since the data was not that much, so it just took a little spiral and it just happened here. After this, what we are going to do, we will be bringing the data table with the embedding and test score with the embedding. So here, let's go to the data table over here and the test score. So test is coming into the evaluation model. So test score. So inside the data table, you will see all the data coming like this. And then what we will do is we will be from the test store, we will be keeping the all our models. So we are taking here logistic regression, random forest, and SVM. So you can take any one of them or two of them. So here let us take the random forest. Um, the random forest. And remove it like this. Remove it. No need to keep any unnecessary thing. So we'll just bring them again, shift them over here. So random forest and then logistic regression. So you have to see where are they connected with, from the inside to their outside they are connected. So let's check with that. And here in the test score, as you see, all the scores have been coming. So you can see the actual is almost 924,975. So it is coming correct. The model is actually predicting it correct. So then we will get the confusion matrix here. Let's see in the confusion matrix form. So what we can do, we can just write down here. If we are not finding it just on top. So we'll see. So now we will open, you will see that it is saying the random forest is saying that bleached 142 and unbleached it is identifying is 23. But if we see for the logistic regression, it is little better performance 129 and 16 over here. So unbleached and bleached, it is in a confusion state. So these two boxes are basically that mispredictions. So it is more accurate here. Logistic regression is more accurate here. Then what we will do, we will test the data. We'll get the testing data and we'll get the same thing, image embedding and image viewer will do. So let's again import the file. Let's remove this. So we'll import the file here, import the image, and here we will associate our test data. So once again, it's better to always reconnect. Don't go by the default. Since in the system, the work was already done. So that is the reason it is showing the files being connected over there. You can make the shifts like this and to make it more neat and clean. So we will get the image embedding and image viewer. So in the image viewer, you can see the bleached, it is all labeled data. Okay, all the unbleached data, everything is coming here. So here we put the test data and we connect them accordingly. You can see that the little circle had gone. Now, same thing we will be doing here. So prediction, will get the prediction over here and we'll bring the model logistic regression from here to here like this. So from the image embedding, mm, the prediction is basically the evaluation here. So the prediction. So let's see the prediction. So yes, you can look at the file name. That's 11 number file name under the data set, what it is. So it is good to know the image thing. So but here now it's not actually the label is not coming up. So let's bring in the thing here and we'll connect it here and connect this. Now once this is done, so you can see the labels got formed. So using the logistic regression, you can see it is saying this one is bleached and 11th is unbleached. So if we will compare the file name, it will be coming same. So bleached, unbleached. So this is how with the no code, we are able to use the machine learning models in the orange data mining. So I hope it is now understood by you how you have to make the workflow in the orange data mining.